To edit your photo like this, you will need two apps, Lightroom and Snapspeed. First, add your photo to Snapspeed. Then you can choose pop or extend optionally. Now, enter tools after choosing drama. Look at your photo to see which filter does it go with your photo. Here, drama 1 is appropriate for my photo. Click on OK, then enter tools again and choose rotate. This app makes your photo right automatically. Now click on export, so our photo is ready. But as you see, the face of our model is dark. So click on share and put our photo in Lightroom. We enter Lightroom and we select the photo because I just want to lighten the model's face. I click on the face, go into selection and choose a circle, then draw it. After that, enter the light and choose the exposure. Increase the exposure and decrease the contrast, and then increase the white based on the model's face. Play with the option to get the light you want. In the color section, we decrease the saturation. Now, in order to understand what happened, we hold our hand on the photo. This is before and this one is after. And then we tap the share symbol, then save the device. The photo is ready, but it is not finished yet. To make our photo more beautiful, enter the photo again into Snapspeed. We select the vintage filter from the tool and select the appropriate filter. Well, I select the third filter and finally get the output. Now your photo has become an exciting photo. If you like this clip, please like and subscribe us. We hope you enjoy it.